Good morning. I'm going to go ahead and send you a video to help get us started to see if you have more questions afterwards as well, so that if we need to meet, we can set a good time for you. Also, I'm sorry to hear about the loss of your relative. I know how difficult it is, especially during this season. So let me go ahead and start by doing this first problem that you sent. It says, using the region names in the image below, select all regions that represent the complement of A, intersect B, union C. So let's look at a couple of things first. Anytime you have a set, and here they have A and they have this symbol, that means the complement. So that means everything outside of set A. So anything that's in the circle A is not included in the complement. So what I'm going to do is write that first. So the complement of A is everything that's not in circle A. So it doesn't mean everything in circle B and C. So keep in mind, when you look at circle A, you have 1, 2, 4, and 5. So it's everything but those. So that would be 3, 6, 7, and 8. So that would be all of these that weren't in A. So another thing, intersect. When you see that upside down U, that means what is found in both of those sets. So here we wrote the complement of A, which is the first part. So B would be those numbers that are in set B. So that would be 2, 5, 3, and 6. I'm going to write it in order. So that's 2, 3, 5, and 6. Now also, we have to find what's in C. So in C, it'd be anything in this circle C. So that would be 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 4, 5, 6, and 7. So now we'll do these in order, moving from left to right. So this says the complement of A intersect B. So we want to know what these two have in common. So we're going to compare to see what they both have. So they both have the 3, and they both have the 6, and that's all they have in common. So doing the first part, the complement of A intersect B would just be 3 and 6. So the last part says union with C. So when you see this U-shaped, it means you're just going to join them both together and form one new set. So you're just going to combine everything. But if there's any duplication, you only list that one time. So now when I take the answer above and combine it with C, I would get 3. I'm going to do it in order. 4, 5. See, they both have 6, but I'm only going to write it one time. And then 7. And that would be our answer for the first one. So let's look at the next one. So again, you see the complement of A So remember, the complement means everything outside of that circle A. So that would be 3, 6, 7, and 8. Don't forget this one on the outside. So the second thing is set B. So remember, set B is anything in that circle B. So that's going to be 2, 3, 5, 6. So notice those are all the names inside that B circle. And the last one is the complement of C. So remember, complement means everything outside of set C. So that would be 1, 2, 3, and 8. So now we start moving from left to right. We take the complement of A, union B. And remember, union means we're just joining them together. So when we do that, going in order would be 2. They both have 3, but remember, you only do it one time. You only need to list it one time. 5. They both have 6. 7. And 8. Okay, so now we're going to join that together with the complement of C. So we have the complement of A union B, which we just did. Now we're going to join with that the complement of C. So remember, we're going to list everything when we join the two together. So that would be 1. They both have 2, but you only list it one time. They both have 3, and again, you only list it one time. Then 5, then 6, then 7, and again, they both have 8, so we only list it one time. So when we join all 3 of these sets together, we list every single element that you see, and if there's duplication, we only list it one time. I hope that helps you.